park here.
So the big one from the 3 lanes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Tak, cykling.
So, all ready?
Yeah, ready.
There we go.
Yeah, windows closed.
So, then after the pilot's right side, and stay on gas.
Nice shit already.
There's the taxi behind us, stay right. So stay right. Let them overtake us. So on gas here, on gas. On gas, so now only lift, no brake.
Uh-huh.
Let the car roll. Let the car roll. Left, and then we need the brake. So here we need the brake, harder. Open the brake. We can cut the curve a little bit, it's no problem. Then we go back on the left side, stay left, on gas. So here we need the top brake, inside, and with gas back on the outside. And then we go back on the right side. On gas, on gas. So now lift and brake here hard, harder. So come in, little bit gas, back on the outside. To the middle, on the inside, with gas, back on the left side. So then lift now, we are not too fast, go in. With gas, back on the left side, and stay on gas. Left side, then we go back on the right, and then we brake for the left. So brake here, open the brake, second brake before we go right, here. So come in, inside, outside, inside, with gas. So left side, lift for the left.
Mm-hmm.
Go right and stay right, lift for the left. And with gas, go back on the left side. So here we need a short brake later. So now let the car roll. Come in, come in, come in. And gas now. Stay on gas, stay on gas. Go to the middle. Now we go inside. We go back on the left side. So now lift and brake after the back. So brake here, brake. Open the brake. Inside, outside, inside, with gas. Then you go on the inside, back to the middle, back on the inside, back to the middle, inside. Then you go back on the right side, straight over the bump. So now lift, and brake here. So we can overtake this guy. Little bit gas inside. So then lift and brake for the right. Brake, brake, brake. So open the brake and then let them overtake us. We stay right. Oh look, there's some gravel here.
Uh-huh.
Some guy going in the grass. So let them overtake us. After the Porsche we can go faster. So now on gas. On gas now, left side. On gas, on gas, on gas. So then lift, stay right. Here we go in. And look at the motorcycle, it's a very dangerous situation, so brake, look at the motorcycle. When we go inside, we can, okay, overtake them now, overtake, gas, gas, gas. So then lift, overtake them outside, little bit gas. So then lift, short brake for the left, short brake, and here we go in. Yeah. So now inside, on gas, on gas, on gas, back on the left, and stay on gas. Back on the inside, lift gas back on the left, so lift So open the brake, not too fast. Come in. Back on the right side. On gas. Stay right. So then here short brake and then we go left. So now with gas inside. With gas back on the left. So short brake for the right. Brake. Wait with gas. The apex point is here. Now with gas back on the left side and stay left. So lift and brake here hard for the right. Open the brake. Let the car roll between the curves. Second brake here for the left. Yeah. And now gas. Stay on gas, stay on gas. You go back on the left. Stay on gas. Stay left. Stay on gas, stay on gas. So now lift. We go back on the right and then brake for the left. Brake here. Brake harder. Open the brake. Come in. So with gas back on the right side. We go back on the left and stay left. Only lift for the right. Now in. With gas back on the left side. Now we have yellow light. There is something, but stay on gas, stay on gas, stay on gas. Maybe this is 2 kilometers later. So on gas, on gas, on gas. So now lift for the left. Look for traffic here. Okay, we go back on the right side. Little bit gas here. Then lift and brake and stay long time outside. Open the brake to the photograph, and then we go in. So now with gas back on the left. Stay on gas, stay on gas. Then we stay on gas, then we go inside. Slow. That's the problem, very fast. And then when you see with yellow light, drive with open eyes.
Okay.
And sometimes after the next curve, we have a problem. And we came with 200 and then shit. But this is a very, very fast section here. Oh, this is the guy from the last round. They stopped here, the red car. Yeah, okay. The last lap they go left. You know?
Last lap?
The last lap. This red car stopped on the left. They have a technical problem.
Ah,
now
yeah, I remember. I see.
Yeah, that's the problem now. But people on track 50. So after the track we can go on gas. After. After, so now. So here we stay on gas, stay on gas, stay on gas. Back on the left, stay on gas. Back on the right. So sharp brake here for the left. Okay, that's good. Inside and gas, and gas. On gas, back on the right side, stay on gas. Back on the left, stay left. So then lift for the right, don't brake. Inside and gas, and gas. On gas, on gas, on gas. Then lift left and now we need the brake for the right. So open the brake, let the car come in, little bit gas inside. We can go faster. Faster, and we go back on the left side, on gas. Now it comes carousel, look for the traffic here. So lift, stay behind the motorcycle, and then we go to the carousel, behind the guy. Stay all the time inside.
Oh, je ziet
Now with gas here, we can overtake them where we have time. Stay on gas, stay on gas, stay on gas, left side. Stay on gas, stay on gas, stay on gas. So now lift. Inside, with gas, we can overtake the new one, or no, stay behind them. So lift for the left, okay, overtake them. Now there's the indicator on the left, overtake them outside with gas, on gas, on gas, on gas, trust me. So then lift for the left, and we go in, with gas now back on the left, on gas, to the middle, back on the left. We can overtake this guy, short brake for the right here, overtake them outside. So then short brake for the left, not with the wrong lane. Stay left now. So lift and you can cut the right curve here. Okay, now you go back on the left. So on gas. So next yellow, brake here and stay inside. A little bit gas, stay inside. Now look for the traffic. Okay, a little bit faster and brake a little bit. Here we go early So wait, slow, slow, slow. There's a problem. Slow, slow.
Mhm.
You're outside.
The same car, yeah.
Yeah, the same for the last lap. Not so fast, slow here.
Mhm.
After this
50.
point, we can go gas. So now we can go gas. So now we stay inside. Then we go back on the right. On gas, on gas. We can overtake this guy. Go left. Go left. Overtake this guy. So lift for the left. Lift. On the straight, yes. Then lift. After the bump, we can brake. So brake here. Okay, inside, outside. Inside. Little bit gas. Inside. So lift for the left, and then we go back on the right, with gas. So right, lift for the left, uphill with gas. Feel the bump here. So lift for the right. Now we go left, little bit gas. Inside, and gas. Now look at the traffic. We can overtake them outside. So open the brake, overtake them outside. Gas, gas, gas. Then lift for the left, here we go in, wait with gas, inside, inside, with gas, back on the right, and stay right. Then lift, braking one time, open the brake, then we go in, completely inside, inside. So lift gas now,
He's
on the
dead.
left side, stay on gas, left, on gas. So lift, sharp brake here for the right, come in, with gas, back on the outside, then stay outside, with gas, outside, outside, so lift. Let the car come in, behind the motorcycle, and we go back on the outside with gas. So now look at this guy. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Then we go back on the right, open your window a little bit. Now the motorcycle is fast, eh? On the straight.
Not on the corners.
Yeah.